How to remove image background in Paint. This tutorial shows you how to automatically cut out the background from any photo in just one click. First, open the Paint app on your computer. After that, click on File and then click on Open. Let me show you. From there, select the image you want to edit and click on Open. At this point, look for the Remove Background button on the toolbar. In the next step, click on Remove Background to let Paint automatically detect and cut out the subject. Following this, wait a few seconds while Paint processes the image. Once done, review the result, since the background will now appear as a transparent checkered pattern. From here, use the selection tool beforehand next time if you only want to remove the background from part of the image. Keep in mind, you need to save the file as PNG to keep the background transparent. Saving as JPEG will fill it in with white instead. Finally, click on File, then Save As, and choose PNG Picture to preserve the transparent background. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove image background in Paint, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.